no live classes, so I changed my batch to in data science at August month.
Good, 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 good. Okay. So you started in August. Very good. Are you currently working somewhere?
No, sir, I am not currently working.
And what is your previous education qualification reporting?
Sir, I am B 2019 batch. Branch is EC, sir.
Good, 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 good. So you would be in tired need of a job, right? Because
Yes, sir.
you have done your BE in 2019 and it is almost 2 years. Even
Yes.
it's about to be 2 years. Okay.
Sir, preparing for government jobs.
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. And you do belong to
Sir, I belong from Bihar, sir. Bihar, Patna.
Bihar, Patna. Very good. And your duration of your course is 6 months or 11 months?
6 months. Yes, sir. 6 months only. 6 months.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Riz.
Thank you, sir.
Rituja, good evening. Rituja, are you there?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. So, Rituja, can you please tell me when you joined this program at IIBM?
From May 21.
May 2022 and
2021. Yeah.
Yeah. And are you currently working somewhere?
No, not yet.
Not yet. And what is your educational qualification?
BIT.
BIT. And when did you complete it?
2K19. After that, I was pursuing an internship in industry.
Okay. You did your BE in 2019.
Yeah.
Good. 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 Okay. That background is IT and CE. Nikhil, can I take you again?
Yeah. Sir, your voice is lacking. Your voice is lacking.
I'm saying, what is your previous qualification?
Yeah,
Specialization at graduation.
I have completed MBA from JNU, Jaipur. And I am a current working as a data analyst in VSPL Pune.
Okay. From where did you complete?
Yeah. Pardon, sir?
From which institution you completed your MBA?
JNU, Jaipur.
JNU. Good. Good. Okay. And what don't mind to disclose here?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Do not let's go to it. Leave it. Thank you. Okay, Rituja, done. You are not working and you are working. Good. Okay. Vignesh Chaudhary. Good evening.
Good evening.
Vignesh, you started your course?
Ma'am, I am from September first batch, 2021.
September 2021?
Yeah, ma'am.
2021, okay. Good. Vignesh, what I'll do is okay, Vignesh. And what is your education qualification at graduation level?
Ma'am, I done my BSc in data science, ma'am.
BSc in data science.
Yeah,
okay. And are you currently working somewhere?
No, ma'am. I am fresher. I recently completed in 2021.
21, good. Fresher. Okay. And you are willing to relocate to anywhere in India?
Yeah, ma'am. It's like Bangalore. It's Hyderabad. Hey, yeah, ma'am. I will.
Actually, I'm Devendra Kumar,
Hello.
sir.
Hello.
Actually, I'm Devendra Kumar. I'm not ma'am, I'm sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough, Ignis. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Aditya Chakrabarti. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
How are you, Aditya?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you. Aditya, can you please tell me about when did you started your course at IBM?
From the first week of July.
July, good. 6 months course?
No, the 9 months one.
9 months. Okay, 9 months. Good. Data science only?
Yes, sir.
Good. And what is your previous educational qualification?
So I'm a passed out of PGDM in 2021 itself.
PGDM 21. And what was your specialization in PGDM?
HR and business analytics. Both major.
HR and PA. Good. Good. Very good. Are you currently working somewhere?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Good. That's good. So, BSc Data, PGDM, Business Analytics. Okay. Good. Are you willing to relocate to anywhere in India?
Yes, I'm ready for that.
You're willing for that. Willing to relocate. Good. Nairaju Rosemary Mufor. Good evening. Rosemary, are you there?
Good evening. Sorry, how are you, sir?
Yeah. So, Rosemary, when did you started your course at IBM?
September 2021.
September 2021. And what is your previous educational qualification?
Diploma in education.
Diploma in education.
Yes.
D8. Okay. Good. And did you have 12th? Did you had math at 12th level?
Sorry?
Did you had maths as a subject at 12th level?
Yes, I have.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. And what is the duration of your course here at IBM?
It's a 9-month course.
9 months. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next. Sabakram.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Akram, good evening. I'm good. Thank you. Sabah, when did you started your course?
I started in July, sir. First week of July. I am pursuing PG program in data science. Sir. PG program in data science, 6 months.
What is your previous qualification?
Sir, I have just completed Master of Science in Banking and Financial Analytics, sir. MSc in Banking and Financial Analytics.
Okay. And are you working somewhere?
No, sir. Right now, I'm just having this course.
Fresher. Okay. Fresher. Good. Thank you.
Okay.
Then it comes to Nikhil. Rituja? Okay, Rituja.
Yeah.
Rituja.
Okay.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
Something with you. Yeah. Ketu Pratima. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Hello.
At IIM?
Sir,
When
you're
did
not
you
audible.
started your course at IIM?
Yeah. I have started from December 2020, sir. I'm from December 2020 batch.
2020 batch, okay.
Yeah.
Good. So you have completed your course, right?
Yeah, I have completed. It's a 6-month course, sir. I have completed.
Good. And what was the course that you did before it? Means what was in which specialization you have done your graduation?
Yeah, I have done masters in statistics.
MSc Maths Statistics.
Statistics, yeah.
Okay. Good.
Masters in statistics.
And are you working? Yeah.
No.
And are you working somewhere right now?
No. Currently, I'm not working, sir.
No.
Yeah.
Could you not get some opportunities?
No, I didn't get any kind of opportunities. Like I've completed the course long back, but from IIBM I haven't received any such good opportunities so that I can proceed. Like that's the reason I've joined this. I'm not getting good opportunities. I'm getting opportunities now, but not the good ones. Like the basic salary, which is paid for, which is not related to data science job opportunities. I'm getting the mails which are not related to data science. I'm getting those kind of mails.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is I'm writing my number here 897947 364700. Okay. I'm writing my number here. You just save down my number right away. Okay. Because you are the ones who should get a job till now. Okay. Because I'm having a industry with 2 people, either under classes, online classes or something like that. Okay. But I never had interaction with you. If you have already done your course, then it's high time that you get a job now. Okay.
Exactly, yes, sir.
I already have some opportunities. I already have a job opportunity today also with me. Okay. You just share your CV with me. Okay. I'll get you interviewed maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Not to worry at all.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
It is high time to get you done. And the rest of all of you, as I can see, all of you are still pursuing your course. So for you, what I can do is, I'll find out some internship opportunity for you all, okay, so that you can pursue your internship, and later on that internship can be converted into a job, okay. Or maybe like I can see Vignesh, you have done BSc in data science, and
Yes.
I can see Aditya Chakrabarti has done PGDM in business analytics, okay. And there is a opportunity right now with me for business analytics profile. That is, they are looking for MBA, or we can say PGDM candidates. And apart from it, who is like that? Okay, like I can see Hirdesh and Rituja. Both of you are from technical background. And Hirdesh, I don't know why are you waiting for so long? Get till now. So I'll put a special focus on a candidature of all you all, and then we'll take it to some conclusion so that you can get a job. And I think, except the females, none of you do have any kind of problem in relocating to anywhere in India, right?
Yes, sir. No problem.
No problem.
Good. Good. Okay.
But
So that's
sir,
very good.
if we
Uh,
hello,
please
but sir, if we got in Pune,
continue.
then
Please
it's far
continue.
better.
Yeah, try for Pune also because in Pune and Bangalore are hiring for data science engineers. Okay. There are two companies who are right now hiring Indian software and one company there company to
Sir,
missions.
Indian
These
software
both of the
from
companies are right now
from
hiring
where?
for data. Sorry,
Indian software from where? Bangalore.
Bangalore. Yes,
Okay,
Bangalore as well as they are hiring for Delhi office.
okay. There is no
Okay.
opening
So
for.
I'll try my level best to get you done some. Sorry,
There is any openings in a Pune?
I can't say anything about that right now. You can look for that over the internet or their website, whether because nowadays so many companies are opening their offices in different regions in India. So maybe okay. With this, is there something going on in your mind that you wish to ask to me?
Nothing, sir. But if we got in Pune, there is far good for me because presently I'm working in a Pune, so that's why it is easy for me to settle there.
Nikhil. Okay. Nikhil Ingre. You are working in Pune. Good. Okay, Nikhil. I'll keep it in my mind. And I you have joined some sessions also, online sessions also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, any question in your mind that you wish to ask to me today?
Yeah, Ratuja this side. We supposed to ping you on your number na for. Hello.
Sorry.
Yeah, I was saying that we supposed to ping you on your number na.
Yeah, you just ping me on my number over the WhatsApp. That of my number is on WhatsApp. Okay. You just share your resume also. I'll put a special focus on the students who came today for the session.
Yeah,
Because
okay.
you are the one who are looking.
Okay, and yeah, also I am okay to relocate in Pune too. So if there is opportunities in my same field, so yeah, I'm okay with that.
Definitely, Rituja. Definitely. I'll take care of it. Okay. I'm making a note. Actually, I make note of each and everything today, whatever we have discussed. Okay. I'll take it further and we'll move ahead.
Could you say that how many opportunities you have right now in like data science?
For data science, I
for us?
know two companies are there who are actively hiring.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, percentage just keep on
And
coming.
previously, yeah, okay. Previously, we have also applied to some companies. Like me, also applied to some companies, but they didn't reply anything regarding that. Around and
That would be, yeah, I remember. That would be, sometimes companies and your CV does not match to their requirements. That's why they do not call you back. Like today, so feedback from 54 companies. What is the problem? So this is one thing. Second thing, what happens? Being an institution, so many students should apply, but do not apply. Many students do not apply. Only very few students, 2, 3, 1 are applying for any particular job. So for companies also, it's very tough to organize a complete, placement drive or to give a full day or to organize a, test for a single candidate.
Because sometimes the company's mail ID is given, but sometimes placement officers ID is given. So we need to apply on placements email ID. But after that also we didn't get any reply from there too.
Actually,
What we need to suppose to do?
Yeah. I'm telling you. Whenever you are getting any email from our side, a job mail I'm talking about, then you need to reply back to that mail itself. Okay. Do forget about the mail ID of the employer written there in the job notification. Do forget about the mail ID written of the placement officer. Just reply to that mail from which you have got a mail. But at the same time, if in any mail or if in any job mailer there is written that apply through the link given, in that case, it's essential that you do apply through that link.
Okay.
This is the only thing that you need to take care.
Okay. But most of the time now we get mail like non-technical, like marketing or HR. Didn't receive mails like technical field.
Yeah. We do have these verticals also. So such kind of jobs also does come. So what you can do is you can simply ignore that kind of job and you can focus upon the data science profile kind of job.
Yeah. Okay. We'll ping you on your WhatsApp
Thank you so
number
much,
so that.
everyone. Yeah, please. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, please.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm in Zimbabwe, in Africa. So my question is, will I have an opportunity to intern with companies which are in the same time zone like I am?
For that, I can't commit anything, but yes, we'll try. Okay. Give me a little time. Let me have it. Let me give it a try. That's how we can do.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, I'm asking, sir, can we add this course on our CV, sir?
It's most important that you have
Your voice is completely breaking.
Your voice is not.
Hello.
Then also you should add it. You can completed your course that you can
We are not able to hear you.
I'm saying, Akram, if your course, like many of your course is not yet completed, okay, and that case, what you can do is you can write as I'm pursuing this course from IIBM. Pursuing means currently I'm doing it, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So everyone mention it also.
Okay, sir. And also, sir, shall we send our CV to your number, sir?
Yeah, please do that also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Hello, sir. I'm really sorry.
Yes, please.
I'm late. Actually, I'm lately joining. So, may I get your number, sir?
Yeah, please. Actually, I'm texting my number right away in the chat.
Okay.
Over the WhatsApp chat or phone call. I'm always there to help you out.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Shall I get some important points? What have you discussed earlier?
It was very simple. Nilesh, give me a second. Nilesh Joshi. Okay, you're going yes. Nilesh. Give me a second, Nilesh.
Yes.
Nilesh, when did you start your course?
Yes, sir.
When did you start your course from IIBM?
IIBM, no, sir. I recently this batch with these people. These are my batchmates. This one, all this one.
September only.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And what is your previous qualification? Like, what have you done in your graduation?
Actually, sir, I did my PG, ME Computers.
PG in?
Hello. ME, Master of Engineering, Computer Engineering, Master of ME Computer in from Pune University.
Okay. ME in computer.
Oh.
Good. Very good. And are you working somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Are you working somewhere right now?
Presently, sir, I am doing some internship. I am doing internship, but it's a paid internship. I am not getting any opportunity to learn those things. Means the way IIBM teaches the data science course to us. That company is not teaching any data science concepts. I had to work there only. I had to work because I am also not expecting them to learn the things, but but okay, but the way IIBM delivering this educations and all these things, data science course, it's really awesome. And actually, I'm saying that the true data science I'm learning from IIBM.
Good. No worries. What I'll do, Nilesh, is I'll make you engage in some of the live projects. Okay.
Yes, sir.
During your internship, I'll make you available some. I'll avail you some internships where you will be able to, or you will get an opportunity to work on live projects. Okay?
Yes, sir.